Matter. Pure matter, a pure substance contain only one kind of atom or molecule, uniform or homogeneous throughout, cannot be further broken down by physical means, divided into element and compound. Element that simplest or basic form, neither broken nor built up by physical or chemical method. Element, pure substance contain only one kind of atom. Robert Boyle at 1661 element. Lavoisier gave his useful definition of element. Key fact: total number of element 118, 90 occur in nature, 28 are synthesized by scientists, chemical or nuclear reaction. First synthesized method technetium TCZ 43, Emilio Segre or Carlo Perrier in 1937. Solid state, physical state of element: solid, most element metal; liquid, mercury, only liquid metal; bromine, only liquid non-metal; gallium or cesium are liquid at slightly above room temperature. Gases, 11 element are gases at room temperature: H2O2, N2, F2, Cl2, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Noble gas or inert or inactive: helium 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54, radon 86. नोबेल गैस ग्रुप 18, जीरो ग्रुप बोलते वैलेंसी 0. Compound, pure substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined by a fixed proportion by mass, made up of same kind of heteroatomic molecule, formed as a result of a chemical change or reaction. Definite molecular formula, a fixed melting point or boiling point, always homogeneous in nature, has chemical formula. Important compound: methane, natural gas and biogas, atomicity 5, silica or sand, SiO2, atomicity 3, ammonia NH3, atomicity 4, 6 atom if considering pair, ammonia chloride, sublimable, caustic soda NaOH, quick lime CaO, CaOH2O gives CaOH2 heat plus heat exothermic, select lime CaOH2, calcium hydroxide, potassium nitrate KNO3, Fb water D2O, deuterium oxide. Mixture versus compound. Mixture, element or compound just mixed together, no new compound is formed. Element react to form new compound. Variable composition fixed. Some shows property of constituent substance. New substance has totally different property. Constituent separated easily by physical method, separated by only by chemical or electrochemical reaction. Mixture, solution, colloid and suspension. Mixture, impure matter, two or more pure matter not combined chemically. Air, mixture of gases N2O2, air, argon, CO2, water vapor. Homogeneous mixture, uniform, no visible boundary. Heterogeneous, non-uniform, visible boundaries. Cold drink, alcohol plus water, iron filling, sulfur powder, iodized salt, gunpowder में sulfur charcoal KNO3. Solution, true solution, homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting substances whose composition can be varied within limit. Characteristic, transparent, no scattering of light. Particle size less than 1 nanometer, 10⁻⁹. Homogeneous, passes through filter paper, no sedimentation. Solute can be easily recovered by evaporation or crystallization. Component of solution: solute, smaller component that dissolve; solvent, larger component that dissolve the solid. Final state of solute or solvent will be same. Example, CaSO4, blue vitriol. Water makes copper sulfate solution blue color. Water is universal solvent. Type of solution by concentration: unsaturated. Amount of solute less than saturation level. Saturated, amount of solute equal to saturation level. Supersaturated, amount of solute more than saturation level. On cooling, crystallization occur. Type of solvent: aqueous solution solvent is water, universal solvent. Non-aqueous solvent is other than water, alcohol, benzene, CCl4, CS2, ether, ester. Type of solution by physical state of solid. Solid LY, solid liquid sugar solution, liquid alcohol water, gas liquid soda water soft drink, gas air N2O2 argon CO2. Type of number of component, binary solution 2 component, tertiary 3 component, quaternary 4. Concentration of solution, amount of solid present in given quantity of solution, mass of solution, mass of solid plus mass of solvent. Method of expressing concentration, mass percentage, weight by weight percentage, mass of solid by mass of solution into 100 number of unit. Example, volume percentage, volume of solid by volume of solution into 100. Part per million, mass of solid by mass of solution into 10 to power 6. Part per billion, mass of solid mass of solution into 10 to power 9. Molarity, mole of solid by volume of solution, mole per liter. Molality, mole of solid by weight of solvent, mole per kg. Solubility, maximum amount of solid in gram which can be dissolved in 100 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius. Solubility of NaCl 36 gram. Effect of temperature, solid liquid are more soluble in water higher temperature. Solubility of gas in water decreases with increase in temperature. Effect of pressure, at higher pressure more gas can be dissolved in liquid. Solubility of solid in liquid remains unaffected by change in pressure. Colloids, heterogeneous system in which one substance dispersed phase is dispersed as very fine particle in another substance dispersion medium, continuous medium. Particle size 1 nanometer से 100,000 nanometer तक appears homogeneous but actually it is heterogeneous. True solution less than 1 nanometer. Colloid 1 से 1000 nanometer. Suspension 1000 nanometer से ज़्यादा. Type of colloid system, disperse phase, dispersion medium. Type of colloid, solid sol, gemstone glass, solid liquid sol, paint shell, fluid starch, solid gas, solid aerosol, smoke dust smoke, liquid solid gel, cheese butter, liquid emulsion, milk hair cream, liquid gas, liquid aerosol, fog mist cloud, gas solid sol, foam, pumic stone, foam rubber, gas liquid foam. Note, gas colloid does not exist. Gas homogeneous mixture. Classification of colloid by interaction of dP and dm. Dispersed phase or dispersed medium. Leophilic liquid loving, leophobic liquid hating. Good interaction between dispersed phase or dispersed medium, reverse sol. Not good interaction, irreversible sol. Example, gum, gelatin, starch, rubber plus suitable liquid, metal and their sulfide electrolytes. Type of particles, dispersed phase, multimolecular colloids, small molecule aggregate to form particle of 1 से 1000 nanometer. Gold sol, sulfur sol. Molecular colloid, large molecules, nature or man-made. Natural starch, protein, cellulose, enzyme, man-made, polythene, nylon, polystyrene, synthetic rubber. Associated colloid, micelles at low concentration, electrolyte. At high concentration colloid, CMC, critical micelle concentration, craft temperature above which micelle formation take place. Properties of colloid, Tyndall effect, scattering of light by colloidal particle. Tyndall effect कहते हैं. फर्स्ट फराडे के द्वारा, later explained by Tyndall. is differentiate between true solution and colloid. Scattering of light illuminates the path of beam in colloidal solid. Tyndall effect observed when diameter of dispersed particle is not much smaller than wavelength of light used. Visible light 380 से 760 नैनोमीटर, 400 से 750. Refractive indices of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. offer differ greatly. Color of colloid depends on wavelength of light scattered by dispersed particle. Brownian motion, zigzag motion of colloidal particle. Charge on colloidal particle carry charge which keeps them stable. Electrophoresis, movement of colloidal particle under a applied electric field. Coagulation, stability of lyophilic soil is due to charge. Removal of charge causes coagulation. Application of colloids. Blue color of sky, scattering of light by colloidal particle in an atmosphere. Sea water appear blue, scattering due to colloidal impurities. Food article, milk, butter, cheese, ice cream are colloids. Medicine, erigrolol, silver salt for eye lotion, colloidal antimony for collagen. Fog, mist, cloud, liquid aerosol colloid. Blood is a colloid. Colloid sol albuminoids. Bleeding stop on applying ferric chloride. Cleaning action of soap. Missile formed. Smoke screen in warfare. Smoke screen are used which is colloidal dispersion of certain substance. Titanium in air. Cottrell smoke precipitator. Remove smoke particle. Solid aerosol by electrophoresis using high voltage suspension. Heterogeneous mixture in which solid particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout to the bulk of the medium. Particle size greater than 1000 nanometer. Visible boundary particle settle down under gravity, does not pass through filter paper. Example, gunpowder, sulfur, charcoal, KNO3, iodized salt. Heterogeneous